I'm not doing that. I need to see how your kitchen look. If your kitchen is not fucking clean, that's a problem. That is a problem. Never eat from somebody who got a dirty ass kitchen. Period. All right, enough shit talking.
So who's ready to make some bomb ass fish? So overnight I had set this fish in some lime juice and limes. Poor baby, I was trying to scare her. So you want to take your fish and clean out the insides. Although you took it to the fish market and they said they cleaned it, you want to go ahead and do it a little bit more. It wouldn't hurt. Next, we're going to move on to the seasonings. Now, you can use whatever seasonings you want to use for your fish. It really does not matter. You can get very heavy-handed with the fish. I like seasoned fish, but I don't want my fish to be salty neither, so be mindful. So whatever you have in your kitchen cabinet, use it, okay? It wouldn't hurt your fish. Now, I should have did this part before seasoning my fish. However, it does not matter. This part is very optional. I'm just making a slice in between the fish. This way that seasoning can really get into that fish, okay? Fish has been marinating since 10 o'clock this morning, and it is 5:11. That's my birthday, so let me say a wish.
Take my peppers. I already went ahead and rinsed them off. And what you want to do is now slice these peppers in thin slices. Okay, so now we are done with our peppers and onions, and I'm gonna set this aside. Some flour, and this is for our fish.
Is now take your fish. My Nana took out the eyes, as you can see. Thank God for Nana. And we are going to mush it up. Okay? So what you want to do is pat it. You want to cover the fish in flour. However, usually I'll take a plastic bag and shake it up. But since I had the fish soaking overnight, it is a bit soft, so I don't want it to break. And you just want to make sure it's coated. Test if your oil is ready. You take a pinch of flour. And once it disappears just like that, that means your oil is hot and ready. Dump little Miss Porgy in. Her name is little Miss Porgy. Get the fry on both sides, so I'm gonna flip it. So once it is like nice and brown, then I'm gonna go ahead and place it on my paper towel. You gotta make some room, y'all. Now, to get that Escovitch taste, this is a must. You want to use a drop of vinegar, okay? A drop of vinegar mixed in with that oil that you already used for your fish. And we're going to place our onions and peppers in that oil and vinegar. Also, sometimes I fry my fish with the oil and vinegar as well. And it's not like you're frying it. You just wanted to get that kind of vinegar taste so it could stay in maybe about 3 to 4 minutes. And that's just that on that. It is done. Dinner is served. Let me know if you decide to make this dinner. Send me a pic. Tag me in your pic. Thank you for watching, y'all. I really appreciate it.